how's it going? It's me, Betty Jean. In today's video, I am so excited because Fantasy Cosmetica came out with a new palette, and I am thrilled. Fantasy Cosmetica came out with my #1 favorite palette last year, the Druid palette. It was their first launch ever, actually, and it is such a fantastic palette, and I'm so excited that their 4th palette is here, and it is beautiful. They also came out with 2 fragrances, which is new for their line. Before that, they've only had palettes, and I'm really excited to talk about those with you. I'll be doing close-ups of the palette swatches. I'll be talking about all the details about everything. I'll be creating the look that you see right here, and I really hope you enjoy it. I will also have a video on Instagram and TikTok very soon with the palette as well, so just stay tuned for an additional look. Before we get into the video itself though, my accessory details. This choker, I don't know where it's from. My husband got it for me and I don't know the seller. These little ghosty earrings are from Grateful Life Designs, and this wig is from insert name here. So yeah, let's just hop into it. I really want to dive in and chat about all the details, so let's move forward. This is the Rogue palette. It's so cute. I got so excited when she emailed me that her newest palette was gonna be coming soon. It is beautiful. Still the same 9-pan format that the other palettes have been. We have 5 mattes and 4 beautiful multi-chromes, and I'm just obsessed with this. I love cool tones, I love blues, I love sparkle, and I just think this is absolutely gorgeous. Not only is this palette gonna be available, but these will also all be available as single shadows. This is the first time the brand is doing a magnetic palette, and I love to see that. I know a lot of people prefer magnetic palettes, and they also love when there's singles available alongside of a palette, so that's for you, my friends. You can pick and choose if you only want a couple shades, or you can buy the whole palette, and it's just so super cute. I am super excited about it. There is also the 2 fragrances. We have the Rogue and Druid fragrance. I've been wearing the Rogue one the most the last, well, I've only had these for like 3 days now. Not even 3 days. It was like Saturday evening when I picked it up, and it's Monday morning now. So only a couple days, and I've worn the Rogue both days, and I really like it. To me, kind of smells like a witchy shop, like a metaphysical store. It just smells very earthy, and it makes my heart happy. I don't know how to explain it. I will read the notes, not all of them because there's a lot of details. I would recommend just like going to their website or their Instagram, because I'm not a perfume expert. I'm not good at explaining scents or deciphering tones, but I will just say the top notes of all of these. The Rogue's top notes are cinnamon bark, bergamot, pepper, and grapefruit, and then the Druid's top scents are pine needle, citrus blend, wild laurel, and pink peppercorn. It's a bit more florally. But they're both really nice scents so far. I feel like they last decent on me. I don't know if they last like all day long, but they last a good amount of time, and they're super cute, so love to see something new from the brand. Everything I just talked about is launching on March 1st at 9 a.m. PST, and you can use my affiliate code battybean if you'd like to save some money on their site, and I appreciate it so much if you use it. Huge thank you to the brand for sending me these. I appreciate the fact that I've gotten to kind of be a part of the journey this whole time. Like, I got to try their first palette out, and now we're here on the 4th release, and I'm just loving seeing where the brand is going. I've truly been obsessed with everything they've come out with. I am just really excited to see what they do going forward. So yeah, I think I've said it all. I think we talked about everything. So let's just move forward into the look that I created, and I will give you my thoughts so far on everything at the end. Hi friends, let's get into it. I am so excited to dive into this palette. It is beautiful and amazing, and I am so excited. So let's just hop in. I'm gonna prime with my Sigma eyeshadow base. This thing has been through it, hasn't it? It is so gross and used and wonderful. How are you doing? I hope you're doing well. I'm getting ready for work on this lovely Monday morning. I think this video is going up tomorrow if I'm not mistaken. So hello, hope you're doing well. So I think I wanna do a halo eye today. That is what's sounding the best. So I think I wanna start with the shade Cunning. Such a pretty blue. I'm gonna use the Sigma E49 brush. I'm just going to start lightly building it up in the inner and outer corner. I'm gonna try to be careful not to drag this through the crease too much. I want the center to stay fairly open. Just want to focus it in the inner and outer. I am going to use more shades to blend it out and to deepen it up even more. I think I'm going to halo the lower lash line too. So again, just keeping this focused on the inner and outer part of that lower lash line. And then I'm going to use the shade Stealth to blend it out. With that, I'm going to use the Sigma E40. And I'm just gonna start kind of going to town around the edges. If this shade goes through the center, I'm not as pressed about it. Ooh, the sun just came in gloriously. the universe opened up and said, yes, use that shade. I'm just going to lightly swirl this along the edges of that first shade that I laid down, just to start softening it a bit before we deepen it up even more. And to deepen it up, we're gonna go in with Assassin. This is just an e.l.f. pointed eye pencil brush, and I'm going to just tippy tap this on the very most outer and inner part of my lid, not bringing it out too far because it is gonna spread when I go in and blend it. This is a pretty good black actually so far. It seems very pigmented and I am enjoying that. I'm gonna just kind of scoot this in the inner and outer part of the lower lash line also. And now I'm basically just gonna go back down the line. I'm gonna take a little bit of Cunning, that first blue that I used, on that same Sigma brush I used with it earlier. And I'm just going to scoot that around, blending that black out, getting those shades to merge together nicely. And same with that lower lash line. Just trying to keep it all diffused. And then taking some more Stealth on my bigger fluffy brush. And again, just doing the same thing, just trying to diffuse everything out, get it nice and soft and smoky, upper and lower lash line. And then I'm gonna catch the other eye up to speed so that we can move on to some shimmer. Okay, I'm already loving the vibes. I love these colors. It makes my soul happy. But now we're gonna move on to some shimmers. Gonna start with my NYX glitter primer, of course. In case you're new, I use this with every shimmer ever because it makes your shadows pop insanely. Like the shimmers, they just look so magical, and they also stay put all day for me. So just gonna dabble that across the lid. I'm gonna start with the Sleight of Hand shade. It's just so pretty. It's magical. I need it on my eyes. Just using that same sticky brush. It's so cool because right now in my mirror, because of how the angle is with these multi-chromes, like it looks purple in my mirror, but it looks blue in my viewfinder, and it's really freaking cool. So I'm gonna pop this on like the inner and outer parts of my lid. I'm gonna use another shade for the center. Oh my gosh, that is so pretty. It's kind of lightly tippy-tapping it. I'm also gonna grab some on like the tip of the brush and do the same thing to the lower, just popping a little bit of it on the inner and outer part of my lower lash line. So cute. I'll just run my little blending brush around just to make sure that is diffused nicely. And I'm gonna take Trickster. That is gonna be my middle shade. I'm just gonna use the clean side of that same brush because no point in dirtying another brush. I grabbed a lot of product. Let me knock some of that off. That's gonna go right here in the middle. Oh yeah, that's exactly what I needed. It's so pretty. And again, I'm gonna grab some on the tip of that brush and just kind of tippy tap that in the center. And I love that wet, twinkly lower lash line. It's so cute. And then I'm just gonna kind of go back and forth between both sides of my brush, just getting all of those shades to blend nicely. I am actually obsessed with that. I'm actually gonna take some more of Trickster to pop in my inner corners to complete this look. I love this so much. I think it's so pretty and just sparkly, and I love blue eyeshadow, and this makes me really happy. So I'm gonna complete this look, probably just mascara, an eye pencil, something on my lips, and I will be back when I'm complete. Here is my final look. I love how this came out. I love this sparkly, twinkly, grungy blue vibe. It is everything to me. It's exactly what I needed on this Monday morning. I'm thrilled to wear this for the rest of the day. I'm so excited to play with this palette some more. Like I mentioned in the intro, another look on TikTok and Instagram is coming soon, and probably eventually to YouTube Shorts. I've been trying to slowly add some of those older videos to YouTube Shorts, but then I forget about YouTube Shorts, so eventually. But I'm really excited to keep playing with this. It's gorgeous, it's stunning. I'm super happy. So yeah, I just went with like a mascara moment today on my lower lash line, my waterline. I went with this multi-chrome eye pencil from Kaleidos in the shade Sea Sparkle. It's so pretty. And then on my lips, I wanted just kind of a glossy, peachy sheer kind of lips. So I went with the Creative Pencil from Rare Beauty, and then this CoverGirl Yummy Gloss in the shade Coconut's About You. I'm really liking these Yummy Glosses. They smell really nice. Just smells like a fruity tropical beverage. And I really like it. So yeah, this is my look with the Rogue palette. I hope you enjoyed it. Let's zoom out and finish up this video, and I will give you my thoughts so far. Thank you so much for watching my video. I appreciate you so much for hanging out. Thanks to the brand for sending me these products over. I really appreciate it. Just a reminder that all of these are launching on March 1st at 9 a.m. PST, and you can use my affiliate code battybean if you want to save some money on their site. The fragrances, again, they're super cute. I've only been wearing them for a couple days, but the Rogue one is definitely my favorite, but the Druid is also really nice as well. I'll definitely get use out of both of these. I'm not like the biggest like perfume snob or anything like that, but I know what I like, I know what I don't like, and I do like these. I think they're lovely. And we have the palette. It is so stinking cute. I am so looking forward to playing with this one some more. I think it is absolutely gorgeous, and I just think they killed it. I think these shimmers are all absolutely insane. I love how shifty and sparkly and wet looking they are, and all of these mattes are just amazing. They're totally up my alley. And even though I'm not someone that needs a black in every palette, I do feel like the black suits this palette really well, and it's not something the brand has had in any other palette, so it does add something nice and new to the brand's repertoire, if you will. So far so good on this. I had a great time playing with these shadows. I find the mattes are super pigmented and they blend nicely. Same thing that I have experienced with their previous palettes, and these shimmers are just on another level. I mean, their shimmers have always been really good, don't get me wrong, but I'm just happy to see even more of them. So overall, I'm really, really happy and excited about this palette, and I'm looking forward to playing with it some more. Huge congrats to the brand. I am so looking forward to seeing what's next. If you made it to the end of this video, why don't you leave some rogue related emojis, some stealthy things. And if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. It helps my channel out a lot. And if you're not already, you can follow me on my other socials. You can join the battybean fam. I am battybean on everything, Instagram, TikTok, and Twitter. And if you want, you can subscribe if you want to see more of my videos. I'm posting most days here as well. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. Okay, bye. Do you guys like this bruise? Look what I did to myself like 4 days ago. I bruised like a peach. Absol or Kanade? Who goes there? Who's behind door number 1? It's Absol. Hi, baby. Come in. Someone was feeling lonely. Your father is downstairs, sir. Yeah. Hi, baby. You want to hang out on my lap? Will that make you feel better?